Welcome to our video on the oldest trees in the world. In this video, we will explore the fascinating and awe-inspiring world of ancient trees. These trees are not just plants, but living witnesses of history. They have survived for thousands of years, enduring climate changes, wars, and human expansion. They remind us of the resilience of nature and the importance of preserving it. If you are a lover of nature, history, and science, you are going to love this journey. Stay with us till the end to learn about the oldest and most extraordinary trees that still stand tall today. And before we begin, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content about nature and our planet. The story of the oldest trees in the world begins with understanding why some trees live so long. Unlike animals, certain species of trees have adapted in unique ways to survive extreme conditions. Their ability to regenerate, resist diseases, and adapt to different climates allows them to live for thousands of years. These trees become symbols of continuity and guardians of ecosystems around them. One of the most famous examples of ancient trees is the Great Basin bristlecone pine. These pines grow in California, Nevada, and Utah in the United States. They are considered some of the oldest living organisms on Earth. Some bristlecone pines are over 4,800 years old. Their twisted, gnarled appearance tells the story of their survival through harsh winds, snow, and droughts. Instead of dying quickly, they slowly adapt to changing conditions. Their wood is extremely dense and resistant to insects, fungi, and rot, which makes them incredibly durable. Another breathtaking example is the Methuselah tree. This bristlecone pine, located in California's White Mountains, is estimated to be nearly 4,850 years old. That means it sprouted long before the pyramids of Egypt were built. The exact location of the Methuselah tree is kept secret to protect it from vandalism. Scientists study it to understand how life can endure through millennia. It remains a silent guardian of history, standing strong through centuries of human civilization. Next, we travel to Sweden, where we find Old Chico. Old Chico is a clonal Norway spruce located on Fulufjellet Mountain. Although the trunk you see today may only be a few hundred years old, the root system has been alive for nearly 9,500 years. This makes Old Chico one of the oldest known living trees on the planet. Its secret lies in its ability to clone itself by sprouting new trunks when the old one dies. This survival strategy has allowed it to persist since the last ice age. In Chile, we find another ancient marvel called Allers, also known as Fitzroya cupressoides. These trees are native to South America and are among the longest living tree species. Some Allers trees have been dated at over 3,600 years old. Their towering height and thick bark make them resistant to fires and harsh climates. Unfortunately, they have been heavily logged in the past. Today, efforts are being made to protect them as they are an irreplaceable part of Earth's history. Moving to Iran, we encounter the cypress of Abarku, also known as Sarv, Abarku. This majestic tree is estimated to be between 4,000 and 5,000 years old. It is a national natural monument and a symbol of life and endurance in Persian culture. Legends say it was planted by the ancient prophet Zoroaster. It continues to stand as a powerful reminder of the connection between humans and nature. In Wales, the Llangyrnu yew is another astonishing tree. This yew tree is believed to be around 4,000 to 5,000 years old. It grows in the churchyard of Llangyrnu village and still thrives today. Its massive trunk and branches create a mystical atmosphere. Yew trees have long been associated with spirituality, longevity, and the cycle of life and death. This tree continues to be a sacred symbol for local communities. Another fascinating example is found in the island nation of Sri Lanka. The Jaya Sri Mahabodhi is a sacred fig tree located in Anuradhapura. It is said to be a sapling from the original Bodhi tree in India, under which the Buddha attained enlightenment. Planted in 288 BC, it is over 2,300 years old. It is considered the oldest human-planted tree with a known date of planting. Pilgrims from around the world visit it every year. It remains a symbol of peace, faith, and spiritual growth. In North America, the giant sequoias and coastal redwoods also stand among the world's longest living trees. Some of these majestic giants are over 3,000 years old. They are not only ancient, but also some of the tallest and largest trees in the world. Their massive trunks and ability to survive forest fires make them incredibly resilient. They create entire ecosystems within their towering branches, supporting countless species of plants and animals. Another important example is the baobab tree found in Africa and Madagascar. While baobabs usually live for around 2,000 years, some individuals have been found to be even older. Their enormous trunks can store thousands of liters of water. This adaptation allows them to survive in arid conditions where few other trees can thrive. They are often called the tree of life because they provide food, water, shelter, and medicine for both humans and animals. The ancient olive trees of the Mediterranean also deserve recognition. Some olive trees in Crete, Greece, and Palestine are estimated to be between 2,000 and 3,000 years old. These trees are still producing olives today. They are symbols of peace, resilience, and continuity. For generations, families have harvested olives from the same trees that have stood since biblical times. Now let us reflect on why these oldest trees in the world are so important. They are not just natural wonders, but also living archives of Earth's history. Their rings reveal information about past climates, droughts, volcanic eruptions, and even human activity. Scientists use them to study climate change and predict future environmental challenges. By protecting these trees, we preserve both nature and valuable scientific knowledge. Unfortunately, many ancient trees face threats today. Deforestation, climate change, pollution, and human interference put their survival at risk. Some trees have already been lost to wildfires and illegal logging. That is why awareness and conservation are so important. Protecting these trees means protecting ecosystems that sustain countless species, including humans. The oldest trees in the world remind us of patience, endurance, and resilience. They show us that with strength and adaptation, life can survive through unimaginable challenges. They also inspire humility, reminding us how short human life is compared to the span of these living giants. As we end this journey through the oldest trees in the world, we invite you to reflect on the value of nature. These trees are not just silent witnesses of time, but teachers of resilience, balance, and harmony. We must cherish and protect them for future generations. Without them, the earth would lose some of its greatest treasures. Thank you for watching this video till the end. If you enjoyed learning about the oldest trees in the world, do not forget to like this video. Subscribe to our channel for more fascinating content about nature, history, and science. Share this video with friends and family so they too can discover the incredible world of ancient trees.